how to connect Sony Bluetooth remote to Sony A7 IV. Now I have got my A7 IV. It did not come with any remote, but I have this remote which belongs to the camera I'm currently recording from. But the good thing is that this little remote can connect to any other Sony cameras as long as they have a Bluetooth functionality. So to connect it, currently you can see it's not connected. If I press this button, you can see it's not recording, it's not taking a photo, nothing happens on this. It's turned on, but it's not doing anything. So to do that, we're going to do a couple of settings first. On a Sony camera, first of all, you go to Menu. From Menu, you want to go to the option called Network. So you can see this little network icon there. Now you can navigate through this by using this dial pad, so I won't get to those details, but I'm sure you can see this little LCD screen right here. So from Network, first of all, what you do is you just come to Network, and let me just try that again. And first of all, you go to this option called Transfer/Remote. Select that and go to this option called Bluetooth Remote Control, and you have to set this to on. Now once you've turned on Bluetooth Remote Control, come to Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth also. Now we are going to go to pairing, and now we are going to pair our remote. Now it will not show up just like that, because this also you have to put it in pairing mode. To put this in pairing mode, which is in Bluetooth pairing mode, you can see this photo button and this upper TI button, which is for zooming up and zooming down, right? So what we do is press and hold this button and this up button like this. When you press and hold for a couple of seconds, you'll find the remote showing up on the left hand side, you can see. So I'll just go ahead and then just do this for a couple of seconds. Now if this is not working from this Bluetooth pairing mode, come back to this transfer remote section, and then you want to go to this option called Bluetooth Remote Control, set this to on, and from here it is that we go ahead and do this steps again. We just long press on it, and when you press these two buttons for a couple of seconds, it will show up on the left hand side, and then from there you can start connecting it and begin using your remote. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below.